Good morning, buy now, pay later, triple Q's, hourly chart. We called the reversal right here. We have a major support level that we hit and we bounced. If I draw a trend line right here, we can see that reversal point where you buy now, pay laters that believe the triple Q's are going to drop 100 points, and they very well could over the next 3 months. We've seen them do it in one day. But this is that support level. So buy now, pay later. If you're betting to go up, you can bet to go up. You can bet to go down. All you have to do is call me at 503-753-0062. We'll get you enrolled. You can pick whatever you like to pick. This is what I picked for myself on this program. Buy now, pay later. I believe we go lower.